Hello friends, how are you all? My name is Harshit Devedi and I welcome you back to my video. So in this video friends, I will be discussing the specific thing that how the union territories of Delhi and Puducherry are being administered and governed. Now I already made a video on union territories friends. So all the important facts regarding union territories I have already covered in that video. Only this thing, the specific provisions related to Delhi and Puducherry, I will be covering in this video. So the link of the previous video I have given in the description box below. Kindly go and watch this video first. Okay friends, and if you want to follow me friends, the link of my Instagram profile is given in the description box below. Also friends, if you want to watch the Hindi version of this video, that is also uploaded on my channel. You can go and watch. The link is given in the description box below. Now moving forward friends, see, out of the 7 union territories of India, only 2 union territories, that is the Union Territory of Delhi, which is also known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi, and the Union Territory of Puducherry, have their own legislative assemblies, their own local state legislatures. The legislature of Puducherry was created in 1963 and for Delhi it was created in 1992. Okay, now friends, what do we mean by this thing that the Union Territory of Puducherry and Delhi are having their own state legislative assemblies? The point is that these are popular political institutions, the legislative assemblies. Now the other 5 union territories, Daman and Diu, Andaman, Lakshadweep, Dadra, Nagar Haveli. So basically these union territories and Chandigarh, they are not having their, famous political institutions. Only 2, Delhi and Puducherry, are having. And by having these state legislative assemblies, the legislatures of Delhi and Puducherry will have the authority to legislate on subjects of state list and concurrent list. But there is one exception friends. The state legislative assembly of Delhi will not legislate on police, public order and land. Now why it will not legislate on public order, police and land, I am going to tell you after some time. Now what happened friends, in 1962 a Constitution 14th Amendment Act came, and through this Constitution 14th Amendment Act an article 239A was added to the Constitution of India. Now what this article 239A did? This article 239A gave the parliament the power to create a legislature or council of ministers for a union territory. So this 14th Constitutional Amendment Act gave Parliament the power to create a council of ministers for a union territory, and through this state legislature for Puducherry was created immediately in 1963. Now when we talk about Delhi, in 1991 the 69th Amendment Act came, and this introduced Article 239AA in the Constitution of India, which dealt with the special provisions of Union Territory of Delhi. So this amendment came into effect from 1st of February 1992, and this Union Territory of Delhi was now called as the National Capital Territory of Delhi, and a legislative assembly was provided to this National Capital Territory of Delhi. One more article added, which was Article 239AB. Now what this Article 239AB did? This Article 239AB gave the power to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi to decide that if the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi presents a report to the President, and in that report the Lieutenant Governor says that such a situation, or you can say circumstances or conditions, have arisen in National Capital Territory of Delhi, because of which the administration of Delhi cannot be carried out according to the provisions of Article 239AA. So in this case, the President will have the power to suspend any of the provisions of Article 239AA. Okay friends, so if the Lieutenant Governor suggests that administration is not going on according to Article 239AA, then this will give the President to this will give the power to the President to suspend any of the provisions of Article 239AA friends. Okay, and Article 239AA, in addition to giving the power to state legislative assembly to legislate on subjects, but 3 subjects are not covered in it: public order, police, land. Public order is entry 1 of state list, police is entry 2 of state list, land is entry 18 of state list. Now basically by doing this, what happened friends? By bringing Article 239AA, what happened? See, by bringing Article 239AA, no matter the power to legislate was given to the state legislative assembly, but still organizations like Delhi Police, Municipal Corporation of Delhi, they remained under the Union government, friends. Union Home Ministry had the power to deal with law and order. There is one authority in Delhi which is known as Delhi Development Authority. Now, Delhi Development Authority is the major owner of land area in Delhi. Okay, and this is a part of Union Urban Development Ministry. So any instructions or changes or directions to the Delhi Development Authority will not be given by the state government of Delhi, it will be given by the union government. Okay, friends. Also, the police commissioner of Delhi will report to the lieutenant governor, who in turn will report to the president of India. So in these three major things, land, public order and police, the powers of state government are nullified. They don't have any power. So these are the three major things. Now, the point is, this is very logical that police, public order and land cannot be given to the state government in Delhi, because Delhi is the capital of India, friends. And when it is the capital of India, suppose in the state government of Delhi there is a different party, in the union government there is a different party. Now both the parties will clash on their political agenda. Now the state government will say that we cannot give land to you for your secretariat. The union government will say that if we don't have the land and infrastructure, how will we work? So these type of confrontations are not desired in our country, especially in the capital region. That is why these important three things are rested in the union government. Still, everything other than this, every other power has been given to the friends, state legislative assembly to legislate. Now moving forward, friends, the next thing, article 240 of the Indian constitution, I have already explained you. This article 240 deals with the regulations, friends. Article 240 deals with the regulations, friends. Now the by legislating through regulations. So I've already discussed this article 240 in my previous video. Kindly go to that video through the link given in the description box below. In there I have told you that for Puducherry, only when the state legislative assembly of Puducherry is dissolved or suspended, then only the legislation through ordinance will be applied to Puducherry under article 240. Also, friends, the strength of the Delhi Legislative Assembly has been fixed at 70 and Puducherry Legislative Assembly has been fixed at 30. These, strength can be increased or decreased by the parliament. Also, this provision is related to Delhi. In Delhi, it is being said that the Council of Ministers will be limited to 10% of the total strength of the assembly. In states it is 15%, but in the case of Delhi it is 10%, friends. For example, 70 is the strength, then the council of ministers will be 7, that is 10%. In this 7, 1 will be the chief minister and there will be other 6 ministers. Okay, friends. Now this chief minister, he will be appointed by the president, and the other 6 ministers will also be appointed by the president, but on the advice given by the chief ministers. Also, these ministers will hold office during the pleasure of the president. And obviously, as happens in all the cases, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the state legislative assembly. Now, there comes the ordinance making power, friends, article 239B. Now, what this ordinance making power? This ordinance making power only deals with the union territory of Puducherry, friends. It is being said that any ordinance can be promulgated by the lieutenant governor of the Puducherry only after prior permission of the president is given, and also the state legislative assembly of Puducherry should not be in session. When only these two conditions are fulfilled, ordinance can be promulgated by the administrator in the union territory of Puducherry. So all the important provisions, those provisions which were not discussed by me in the previous videos, have been discussed by me in this video with respect to the union territory of Puducherry and the union territory or the national capital territory of Delhi. Article 239AA is important. Article 239AB is important. Article 239B is important. Article 240 is important. However, Article 240 has been discussed by me in the previous video. 14th Amendment Act 1962 is important. 69th Amendment Act of 1991 is also important. So all of these things have been discussed by me, friends. If this video was really liked by you, friends, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with as much amount of people as you can, friends. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.